Today, I will show you how to calculate pi as if you were 7 years old, without using advanced mathematical tools like trigonometry and no calculator. Now imagine yourself on a circular island with a tree in the center. Then I forgot the value of pi. A funny thing is I hosted a grand birthday party for my friend on the island, and I need to measure the circumference of the cake properly so I won't misjudge its size. The most important help we need is your likes, so that we can ensure my friend's birthday celebration goes smoothly. It only takes a second to press the like button. Okay, let's get started. To solve this problem, we change the perspective to look at it from above. From a planar perspective, I am above a circle shape. I use a long ruler to measure the length of radius of circle, it's 1 meter. For now, we have obtained all the information about the situation. To find the circumference, we can split circle to smaller. We divide them with same angle. Then you get many sector. This is essentially dividing a complete circumference into several parts. Each sector is formed by the region enclosed by the central angle, 2 points on the circumference, and the arc length. We construct a right triangle in each sector, and then remember that its angle is 10 degrees, this is because the circle is divided into 36 equal parts, so 360 divided by 36 is 10 degrees. Notice that the circumference of a sector is similar to the height of the right-angled triangle. So, in order to calculate the circumference, we first need to determine the height of the triangle. Let's extend this concept further. We form a triangle, look at its properties. The length of the base is the same as the radius, also, the angle of the sector I just mentioned is the same as that of the triangle. So we can use trigonometry to find the height, just tan 10 degree, times 1 meter. Wait. Didn't we agree at the beginning not to use trigonometry? Why you use now? We're both 7 years old now, and we still don't understand these things. Okay. How can we calculate the height of the triangle with just a given angle and the line, but without using trigonometry or more advanced tools? Let's comment below. We can use the most primitive method, which is drawing. Use this pen to draw a straight line that is 1 meter long. Use a protractor to draw 10-degree angles, and then extend a line from them. You can draw the line as long as you can. Now we draw a vertical line from the end of bottom line. So we find the height of the triangle, it bringing us one step closer to our goal. Use a ruler to measure the line, thus we can find the circumference. But the ruler can only measure to 1 decimal place, which may not provide enough accuracy to find the circumference. Don't worry, we can achieve greater accuracy by measuring through drawing as well. Redraw the originally planned 1 meter line, multiplied by 10, and use a longer ruler for measurement the height. Now we have obtained the increased height and divided it by 10, so it allowing us to find the height with greater accuracy. In another approach, the originally planned line is multiplied by a larger number, we can get more accuracy height. It sounds good, but it requires a larger space for measurement. It's a reason why we need calculators nowadays. Alright, let's proceed with the plan. First, we need to find a space that is at least 1 kilometer long, and then we can apply the steps we discussed earlier. We spent 3 days finding the height of the triangle. It is 176.3 meters. Whoa, now we divided 176.3 by 1000 and get 0.1763. Let came back, we have the missing piece of the puzzle now, so we can start assembling it. Imagine one sector with a right-angled triangle, and all the other sectors with their respective right-angled triangles. The circle is divided into a total of 36 sectors, and when the circumferences of these sectors are combined, they will form the complete circumference. Now calculate it, the circumference of a sector is 0.1763 meter times 36 equals 6.3468 meter. But this is still not close to the accurate answer. To obtain a more precise result, we can divide the circle into more sectors. You can divide it into 100, 1000, or even more sectors, the more the better. Now, let's use the method I just mentioned to calculate it again. You can take your time to calculate. I will announce the circumference that you can find for 1000 sectors. It's more accurate to provide the final answer. Well, you can now find the circumference without using pi.
We found it, but it was a cumbersome and time-consuming process, which wasn't worth it.
Exactly, we need to think of a faster and better method. Let me think. Aha! We can use ratio. Let's see how it operates. We can find the ratio of circumference to diameter, which is twice the radius. Taking what we just calculated, when we divide 6.2832 by 2, we get 3.142. Thus, the ratio between them is 3.142. Arrange the ratio as follows: circumference equals diameter times 3.142. But 3.142 sounds too cumbersome, so let's refer to it as pi. Finally, we found the formula of circumference, which is 2 pi r. And pi is 3.142 value. We did it, guys. We actually found the value of pi and know how to calculate it. You can share the treasure you discovered today with your friends. Also, this video took me a lot of time, so subscribe and hit the like button to give me the greatest support.